Today is the 2nd of January 2014 and we are finally moving the goats to the new land, so the official Animal Liberation Sanctuary. We've just moved one load of goats and we've got another van load. So the van will drive up from the Nunnery down the hill and then they get unloaded and we will lead them to the animal sanctuary itself. And it's quite a tricky path, it's quite steep in places and narrow. And so we've got all hands on deck to finally start the Animal Liberation Sanctuary. And then tomorrow we will move the remaining goats that are resident here at Kopan Monastery. We have 31 at the moment, 2 sheep. And this has been a build-up since 2006 when we bought the land, and it's now 2014, so it's a historic moment. I hope everybody enjoys it and comes to visit, and I know that the goats and the sheep and that will all be very happy because the conditions there are much better than here.